Are you tired of watching endless get-rich-quick videos filled with fluff and no real steps? Welcome to the Young Founders Club, where we cut the noise and show you exactly how to build profitable businesses, even if you're starting with $0. This channel is built for students, solo founders, dreamers, and doers. Anyone aged 18 to 30 who's ready to take control of their future. Whether you're balancing classes, working full-time, or just sick of traditional paths, this is where you learn to launch, grow, and scale without showing your face or spending a fortune. We started this channel because we were just like you, ambitious, broke, and frustrated by advice that didn't match reality. So we built what we wish we had. No fluff tutorials, beginner-friendly guides, pro-level strategies, all in bite-sized, faceless videos you can actually follow. Every week we drop new videos on business ideas you can start today. Step-by-step startup blueprints, marketing tools and automation hacks, ways to build income streams, with or without experience. Our mission? To simplify what others complicate, and give you the real roadmap to financial freedom. If you're ready to stop scrolling and start building, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join thousands of future founders rewriting the rules. This isn't just a channel, it's a movement. Welcome to the Young Founders Club.